My name is Josh Ludwig. I'm the Global Commercial Director for ScaleReady, and we are a tool and technology provider helping to teach people how to manufacture T cells and NK cells in a high throughput setting. ScaleReady continues to be the leader in essentially open collaboration between tool technology providers, basically the vendor ecosystem that's here at Phacilitate. We launched in 2020 with our original founding partners, and the concept was always to bring in essentially the best in class technology, uh, really built around our G-Rex cell culture device platform, which unlocks a lot of high throughput potential. But we know that we want to give therapy developers, researchers, the right tools where they can build a simple modular workflow. And essentially, what is new for us at this conference, we continue to show the power of collaboration. We have our Thermo Fisher incubators over here that were specially customized to fit a lot of G-Rex. You can see that's a lot of patient throughput. And actually behind me also is the latest addition to ScaleReady's portfolio, which is the Applied Cells Mars Bar. So that's a new GMP cell selection tool on the market that we're really excited about. I hope to continue to see this open collaboration. I think I've heard it throughout the beginning of this great event, which is, there was a gentleman up there speaking. He's got a company where they're trying to do a lot of rare disease indications. So what do I expect? I expect more challenges for companies trying to get therapies to market. And I hope that more groups realize the solution is open collaboration, sharing what's working, what's not working, basically help to create the manufacturing standards, because it's really hard to get a drug from concept to testing to scale up to clinical to market. And if everyone's kind of doing this on their own in a little black box, it's very difficult. So I think more and more groups are realizing this open collaboration is critical. And even the largest companies, I'm seeing them, even these large therapy developers, pharma companies, be more open, talking about what's working for them, what's standard for their manufacturing.